Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Do you want to make a text as like this code display or this code display? Cool. Today I will guide you how to format text as code in WordPress for Gutenberg blog editor and classic editor. Okay, let's start. So firstly, I am going to visit my website dashboard, and after that all post section. Then I am going to open this test post. Firstly, I will show you how you can do it in blog editor. Let's open. We will do these things without using any kind of plugin or any custom CSS code. Firstly, I am going to use inline code for this section. So select this section, or I want to make full section as like code. But if you want to make a small 2-3 word or one sentence, just select that part. That means which part you want to make as like code, select that part. Perfect. So select, I am selecting full paragraph, and above the paragraph there is a box and the arrow icon more. Click there, and the third option you will get inline code. So just click here. You see this code already displaying as inline code. I am going to save draft. Let's see how it looks like on the front end. So view preview. This is the inline code text display system. So it looks like a code text now. Now I will show if I want to make 2 or 3 word or one sentence inside a paragraph, is it possible or not? Let's try with this system. In this paragraph, I want to make as an example lorem this part inline code. Just selected that part and clicking on inline code, and it's also possible. You see inside this paragraph those words are showing as a inline code. Perfect. Now if we want to use another types of tag, as example there has another option, like we can make same thing with another way, that is using custom HTML block. So as a this is a paragraph block, I want to add a new block here plus custom HTML and going to paste it here. If I don't add any code here, how it looks like, let's check. So going to give a refresh. This showing as like text, there is no change, no code visibility. So just you have to do a simple things here. Add pre opening tag and pre closing tag. That's all. And you will see a magic. Like going to give a refresh here, and this is the pre tag coding display system. Automatically they are getting a background. Previously inline code system, they have no background, but for the pre-code system they are showing a background here. So this is the difference. Rest of the things are almost same. So which option you love to enable or use, you can use that option, no problem. Now question is, for pre we was able to make inside paragraph use a part as a inline code, but for free it's possible. Let's try. For example, I want to delete this pre. I want to make inside like Richard McClintock as a pre. So before Richard I am adding pre tag And after Richard McClintock, I am adding pre-closing tag. Let's see what happened. Giving a refresh. You see, this is making a line break. It's not working as like inline code. Inline code was working perfectly inside the paragraph. Just those sentence or those word are displaying as a inline code. But for pre-tag, it's a itself work. It's make a line break and those things stand alone. So there's the different, and it's perfectly done for the Gutenberg blog editor. Now I am going to open the same text post in classic editor. Just click edit with classic editor, or if you are using default classic editor, it will open default. So now I want to make this paragraph as an inline code. But unfortunately, in classic editor, there is no way to select inline code here by default. We need to write a simple code, then it will be inline code. Well, how we can do it? Select that paragraph or select that sentence, word, no matter whatever you want to make inline code, just select that and click on the top text. This is the text, click here. And instead of p tag, just make it code. Code. That's all. Save draft and preview the post. You will see this is visualizing as like code. So that's the difference. In Gutenberg blog editor, you will choose inline code option, and for the classic editor, you have to write manually code. And how about it? Like I want to make this lorem ipsum only code text. Rest of the things I want to visualize as like this. Is it possible here? Previously we did this on Gutenberg blog editor. So let's try. I want to make this as like code. So I'm selecting this and click on text and this lorem ipsum. So before this two word, I am adding code, and after this word, I am closing the code. That's all. Just save draft and give a refresh here. You see this lorem ipsum is displaying as like code, but in this paragraph, rest of the sentence are the normal sentence. That's all. Now I want to use pre-tag here, and is it working here or not? Let's see. So I want to use this paragraph as a pre. So instead of P, I am making it pre-closing. That's all. Giving a refresh here, it's working perfectly. And for the same issue will be happen if I want to make a simple inside the paragraph any single two word or single sentence, want to make this pre-tag, it will be separate line automatically. So just let's try. For example, I want to make this D finibus, this part I want to make as a pre. So I'm copying it to find easily this on the back end. This is the things. So before this, I am adding pre starting tag and adding pre closing tag. That's all. So as my expectation, it will display, if it will display inside this paragraph, it would be good. But let's see how it will display here. Giving a refresh, you see this is making a separate line. It's not work inside the sentence. There's the difference between pre tag and code tag. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.